welcome back. This is called the Brain Pro. It's been a long time, but we're gonna make a paper jet. First, what you do is you fold it in half. Okay, give me a sec. I'm recording a video to make my own YouTube channel.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Okay. So that was just my uncle or Gorchachu. If you don't know how to speak Urdu, well I do. Okay.
I do know.
And don't.
Okay, I will show you.
If you do, I'm gonna. So after you do that, you're gonna open it, do this, and then on your other side we're doing this. And this is easy one, so okay. After you do that, you go here and fold it, make it equal here. Oh wait, give me a sec. Now, what I did something wrong. It's supposed to be like here. Wait, all the way here. It's supposed to be that side. All the way here.
You have 1 more minute.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to go fast because we have 1 minute before it runs out space. Okay. So yeah, I'm using tablet. Okay, so it's not so good. After you did that, then you're gonna do this. Fold it like that. Okay. Then after you do this, wait, something is wrong here.
You want to make another video?
No, only one.
Okay.
Okay, Zed, can you stop talk, please?
Okay.
So after that, you're gonna have to do this. Okay.
Examples.
And then after that,
I'm actually cool, you guys. I'm cool.
okay, he's just kidding. He's just kidding.
I'm actually cool.
Okay, stop. After that, you done that. You're gonna come on. Jeez. Okay, left. Good.
Done.
After that, you
You're getting correct.
you do this, and now this is the part where you need scissors. Okay, now you cut these two like this. After you cut these two, you go like this.
You have to go pray, you know that?
Okay, then you have to go like
Examples are coming.
this. Okay, can you stop talking? And after you do that, like this, and as you see, wait, fix something here.
He's getting mad. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. He's not getting mad. He's actually getting mad.
Now it's ready.
Now try example to
Now
like
what?
throw it.
No, I'm telling.
Okay.
No, stop.
Okay. I'm gonna stand here. Now go. Okay.
Cut.